Have you ever wondered what the greatest trial on this earth will be? A time when faith will be tested, when deception will be so intense even the strongest hearts will tremble. This is the fitna of Dajjal, a test so great that every prophet warned their nation about it. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ gave us the clearest signs so we may not be deceived. Dajjal, the Antichrist, a false Messiah, will not be an ordinary man. He will be a great deceiver, empowered with supernatural abilities. He will claim to be a prophet, then he will claim to be God. The Prophet ﷺ described him in detail. He will be blind in one eye as if a swollen grape. Between his eyes will be written, Kafir, disbeliever. And every true believer will recognize this, even if they are illiterate. He will travel the earth rapidly like the wind, spreading chaos, corruption, and claiming divinity. Because Dajjal will come with miracles that will test your faith, he will bring rain and make crops grow. He will revive barren lands. He will bring wealth and ease, but only to those who believe in him. He will have a paradise and a hellfire, but his paradise will be hell, and his hellfire will be paradise. This is no ordinary enemy. His deception will be so intense that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "No trial from the creation of Adam until the hour is greater than that of Dajjal." Muslim. Only those with strong Imaan, those who hold firm to Allah and His Messenger ﷺ, will be safe. Dajjal will emerge from the east, likely from the area of Khorasan, present-day Iran or Afghanistan. His followers will mostly be from among the Jews of Isfahan and other misguided people. He will travel the world except Makkah and Medina, for angels will guard these holy cities. A trembling will strike Medina, and the hypocrites will flee towards Dajjal, revealing their true hearts. If you're alive in his time, how will you survive? Recite Surah Al-Kahf. The Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever recites the first 10 verses of Surah Al-Kahf will be protected from the Dajjal." Strengthen your Iman. Know that only Allah gives life and death, provides sustenance and has true power. Avoid Dajjal. Don't try to test your Iman. Run, hide, stay away, make dua. The Prophet ﷺ taught us to say at the end of every salah, "O Allah, I seek refuge in you from the punishment of the grave, the punishment of hellfire, the trials of life and death, and the evil of the trial of the Dajjal." Muslim. Prepare your children, teach your families. The world is already paving the way for his arrival, with deception, godlessness, and blind followers. After Dajjal spreads his tyranny, Allah will send Isa, Jesus, peace be upon him, from the heavens, not as a new prophet but as a follower of Muhammad ﷺ. Isa, peace be upon him, will descend in Damascus and join the Muslims in prayer behind Imam Mahdi. He will lead the army against Dajjal and kill him near the Gate of Lud in Palestine. That moment will mark the end of Dajjal's tyranny. Dajjal's story is not just prophecy. It's a warning that this world will not always be easy, that fitna will come like waves, and that you must hold tightly to your deen even when the world pulls you away. Do not be among those who fall for sweet words and shiny miracles. Be among those whose hearts cry, La ilaha illallah, when all else shakes. The time may be near. The signs are around us, and the biggest deception is to believe you'll recognize him when you don't even recognize your own sins. Prepare now, pray now, return to Allah before the storm begins. May Allah protect us from the fitna of Dajjal and keep our hearts firm upon the truth. Ameen.